Want an easy way to backtest stock and option strategies with minimal coding? OptionStack lets you drag and drop or use Scala to automate backtesting. But is it really worth it? OptionStack is a web-based backtesting platform that supports stocks and options using historical data up to 15 plus years. It offers a visual editor and pre-written strategy scripts, so you can test common strategies without writing code. If you're advanced, you can write your own logic in Scala, and it supports full customization. OptionStack gives you detailed reports with key metrics like win rate, drawdown, and CAGR, and you can export results to CSV. It runs in the cloud, so no software downloads are needed. But it does have limitations. Plan limits may restrict data range, symbols, or daily backtests, and the learning curve is steeper than simple tools. Mastering it takes time. OptionStack is a powerful backtester with visual tools, deep analytics, and flexible plans. Great for traders who want more than manual testing. Start with a free tier to see if it fits your needs, then upgrade as you scale. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.